Hi everyone, my name is Ruchin and I welcome you to Your PD Education. So as you know कि we are creating videos and we want to create awareness among students related to foreign admissions and we are keen in exploring these opportunities. कौन से opportunity है and one such opportunity I've come across और ये बहुत जल्दी है, इसका deadline बहुत जल्दी है. So I came up very fast to make a video and let you guys know कि ये opportunity कहीं आपसे miss ना हो जाए. So this is an opportunity in Denmark Technical University, DTU, not हमारा Delhi Technical University, not that. Denmark Technical University in Denmark. That's a PhD position open in environment. As you know, environment के अंदर बहुत सारी opportunities है, कई सारी opportunities हैं. आपको PhD करना है उसके लिए. Even though अगर आप masters करना चाहते हैं in MS in abroad, that is also possible. कई सारी opportunities हैं. So let's talk about this. First of all, this is a PhD in microbial electrosynthesis. Okay, so there are basically two things which they are looking for. First one is material science, and if you can club this with microbiology, if you can club this two, then you are a very potential candidate for them. So अगर आपके पास material science है या फिर आप electrobiology, electromicrobiology, something like that, उस तरीके से कुछ अगर आप environmental के challenges को solve करने में help कर सकते हैं, so you are a very potential candidate for them. And the last date is 1st September 2021. Okay, we don't have much time. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा 10 से 12 दिन है. Okay, so 1st September 2021 is the last date if you want to apply. Now, there are a few more things important. First of all, they have not mentioned कि आपका background क्या होना चाहिए. किसी तरीके के background का they have not mentioned anything. It's just that कि आपके पास 2 years का masters program completed होना चाहिए आपका. Plus there are requirements from their side, that is you should have a solid background in microbiology and bioelectrochemistry. अगर आपके पास background है तो बहुत अच्छी बात है. If you have foundations in biology, physical chemistry and material science, that is going to give you an added advantage. Keen interest in microbial electrochemistry और electrochemistry और biosynthesis. इन चार फील्ड्स में अगर आपका इंटरेस्ट है या आपको नॉलेज है, सो यू आर अ वेरी पोटेंशियल कैंडिडेट फॉर देम. अब इसके बाद में आपको इंग्लिश लेवल के जो टेस्ट होते हैं वो क्वालिफाई करने ज़रूरी हैं. एंड देन देयर आर डिफरेंट थिंग्स. ठीक है, अब इसके टास्क क्या क्या है, प्राइमरी टास्क क्या है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, एज ए पीएचडी कैंडिडेट, सभी पीएचडी कैंडिडेट्स को इट इज़ मस्ट एंड इट इज़ ऑब्वियस कि आपको पेपर्स पब्लिश करने होते हैं, तो वही चीज़ यहाँ पे लिखी है. यू हैव टू डू वर्क इन सच अ वे दैट मोस्ट नंबर ऑफ पेपर्स गेट पब्लिश्ड. रिसर्च पेपर किसी अच्छे जर्नल में पब्लिश हो, दैट इज़ द प्राइमरी एम, एंड यू नीड टू डू सम रिसर्च. You need to work as a teaching assistant in 2 or 3 modules of ECTS. So teaching assistantship रहती है. अब उसके बाद में this is our offering and all, हम आते हैं इस पे salary and appointment. Okay, so यहाँ पे लिखा है the period of employment will be for 3 years. That means you will get the scholarship for a period of 3 years starting from 1st October 2021. 1st October 2021 से your period of enrollment will start and the last date to apply online is 1st of September 2021. Now, if you want to have any other kind of information, you can visit the website of Denmark Technical University. You will get everything over there. Last deadline, no later than 1st September 2021. And what are the things that you need to apply? The first one is a letter motivating the application, that is your cover letter. You need to make a cover letter in such a way that they select you. Okay, now here's the thing that we can help you. We can help you in creating the cover letter and how to write this letter to get you selected, because a lot of students will be applying over there for PhD. So how do you differentiate yourself? That's where we come into play. You need to prepare your CV very well. Your transcripts for masters or this bachelor's. Now, a recommendation letter. Your supervisor from the master's degree should give you an LOR, letter of recommendation. That is going to give you an extra edge in the selection process. Now, all the candidates, irrespective of whether any age, gender, race, caste, anything, they can apply over here. If you think that you have something, आपके पास कुछ ऐसा है जो कि environment को heal करने में या ठीक करने में it can be advantageous, so you are a very potential candidate for them. ऑलराइट, सो ये हमारा एक अपॉर्चुनिटी आई थी जो मैंने आपके साथ में शेयर करी. अगर आप किसी और तरीके की भी कोई अपॉर्चुनिटी चाहते हैं, एनीथिंग एल्स, प्लीज मेंशन इन द कमेंट सेक्शन बिलो. वी विल गेट बैक टू दैट आल्सो. टिल देन, कीप वॉचिंग योर पीडिया एंड स्टे सेफ. टेक केयर. बाय बाय.